Alright, you know when you go to a laundromat and you see your folding table look like that? You gotta wonder, what went on? I mean, look at it. Look at this table. What? I don't even know. I've never seen anything like this before. Now, it was kind of a junky table, so I'm not real upset, but we're going to watch the camera because, I don't know, something's weird. So we're going to find out how that happened because that's just bizarre. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. I wanted to show you this folding table and what we did. This is actually pallet rack. And you'd say that is crazy. Well, we're able to use 3/4 plywood and then we just use some sticky towel or some laminate tile, and it makes a really nice surface. Now this is heavy duty, you know, it doesn't move too much, not much more than the tables did. They can use that top beam as a rack to hang the clothes. They can sit on this, they can stand on it. It's the main thing I try to teach people. You got to make it bulletproof. This is bulletproof, and that's what I want, because I don't want people breaking stuff and I have to replace it over and over again, because with your laundromat being unattended, your equipment, your stuff, it's on its own. So it's either got to hold up or it's going to get tore up. So I'm hoping this holds up over time better. This is why I make them like bulletproof, folks. This is the exact reason right here. That's pallet scaffold. That's pallet racking. That's why I use it, because this is what you're going to have to do. I got nothing, sorry. It's at the right height. I mean, that's crucial. You know, people aren't having to bend over. People are having to reach up. So it's at the right height for people. And actually the other laundromat, I'm planning on using this too. Now, the other thing I've used at my laundromats that I love a lot is I use those stainless steel prep tables that they use at the kitchens and restaurants. I would have done that here. I just didn't have time to go buy one and get it here. And then two on those, I gotta literally weld feet to them so I can bolt them down. See, these come pre-made with little tabs down there that you can basically bolt to the floor. And since it's pretty cheap, I don't have to worry about people tearing it up. You know, I can literally just, after a few years, I could just part this out, or I could take it and put it in my garage and then get new ones. Now these didn't come painted black, they were painted tan. I went ahead and painted them. Normally I would take them to a guy that powder coats stuff for me, have them powder coat all this, but I was kind of in a hurry because if you don't have a folding table, it's just like not having a change machine. When people come in, they don't have carts, they don't have folding tables, they don't have soap machines, they don't have change machines. You ain't got customers, because they're gonna get pissed. They're gonna get pissed they don't have those comforts there that they expect you to provide. Just like not having a bathroom, you know, that's a big deal. I was afraid there was somebody in there. So, you know, if you're gonna have a laundromat, you gotta make sure you're providing this stuff, because otherwise they're gonna go somewhere else and they're gonna notice you don't care. You know, I've never seen anything like this before. Now, it was kind of a junky table, so I'm not real upset, but we're gonna watch the camera because
Just want to get you an up-close view of this thing. Basically, you just cracked it right in half. The frame popped right off the legs on the bottom of the table. Crazy. Now, I'm not too upset because it was a customer, an older guy you saw in the video. He really didn't mean to do it. And that table was old anyway. I was planning on getting rid of it. But it was just kind of, I'm glad he was okay. Glad he didn't get hurt. So, you just never know though. With the video, I would have thought a lot of you were right. Somebody had sex on it. Some kids fought or somebody stood on it. That's what I would have thought. But it looks like we were all wrong, folks. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Till next time.